Punjabi samosas are a popular snack in India and are often sold in Indian bazaars, markets, food stalls, and street vendors. These samosas are loved for their crispy, golden exterior and spiced potato filling. If you're looking to find Punjabi samosas in an Indian bazaar, here's what you might expect. What to look for in a Punjabi samosa at the bazaar: freshly fried. Punjabi samosas sold in Indian bazaars are typically fried fresh, so they have a crispy and hot exterior. You'll often find vendors frying them in large batches, ensuring that each samosa is served fresh and hot. Spicy and flavorful filling. The filling is the star of the Punjabi samosa. Some vendors may add green chilies or amchur dry mango powder for extra zing. Sizes and shapes. Punjabi samosas can vary in size, but they are generally triangular or cone-shaped. The outer crust is usually thin, making it crispier. Accompaniments. Samosas are often served with tamarind chutney sweet and tangy and mint chutney spicy and refreshing. In some bazaars, you might also find yogurt-based dips or even spicy pickles on the side. Affordable snack. Punjabi samosas in bazaars are typically an affordable snack, often sold in batches. They are great for a quick bite while shopping or walking around the market. Where to find Punjabi samosas? Street vendors. In most Indian cities, street vendors are famous for selling freshly made samosas. These vendors often set up small stalls with large frying pans filled with oil. Food stalls. Larger bazaars or markets with a food court often have dedicated food stalls offering samosas alongside other popular snacks like chaat and pakoras. Local restaurants and cafes. In many regions, especially in the north of India, Punjabi samosas are served as part of the menu at restaurants or cafes. Tasting experience. The experience of having a samosa from an Indian bazaar is authentic and delightful. The bustling atmosphere, the aroma of frying oil and spices, and the instant gratification of biting into a crispy samosa make it a quintessential Indian snack experience. Next time you visit an Indian bazaar, be sure to try a freshly fried Punjabi samosa for a delicious and satisfying treat.
Making delicious samosas involves creating a flavorful filling, preparing the dough, and frying them to perfection. Here's a basic recipe to guide you. Prepare the filling. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan over medium heat. Add cumin seeds and let them splutter. Add the finely chopped onions and saute until golden brown. Add the ginger garlic paste and chopped green chilies. Saute for another 1 to 2 minutes. Stir in the turmeric powder, red chili powder, ground coriander, garam masala, and cumin powder. Cook the spices for a minute to release their aroma. Add the boiled and mashed potatoes, along with any other mixed vegetables you are using. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Season with salt and garnish with fresh coriander leaves. If you like a tangy flavor, squeeze in some lemon juice. Let the filling cool to room temperature before using it. Make the dough. In a large bowl, combine the flour, salt, and carom seeds. Add oil or ghee and mix it in with your fingers until the mixture resembles breadcrumbs. Gradually add water, a little at a time, and knead into a smooth, firm dough. Cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for about 20 minutes. Shape and stuff the samosas. Divide the dough into small, equal-sized balls. Roll each ball into a smooth oval or round shape, about 4 to 5 inches in diameter. Cut the circle in half to create 2 semicircles. Hold one semicircle and fold it into a cone shape, pinching the edges together to seal. Fill the cone with the cooled potato filling. Seal the open edge by pinching the sides together to form a triangle shape. Ensure the edges are sealed well to avoid the filling spilling out during frying. Fry the samosas. Heat oil in a deep frying pan over medium heat. To test if the oil is ready, drop a small piece of dough into the oil. It should sizzle and rise to the surface. Gently drop the prepared samosas into the hot oil in batches. Don't overcrowd the pan. Fry the samosas, turning occasionally, until they are golden brown and crisp on all sides, about 5 to 7 minutes. Remove them from the oil and drain on paper towels to remove excess oil. Serve your samosas hot with mint chutney, tamarind chutney, or ketchup for dipping. India has numerous factories and small-scale businesses dedicated to producing samosas, as they are one of the most popular snacks in the country. These factories range from small local ones to larger industrial-scale operations. Many of these factories focus on both traditional and frozen samosas for domestic consumption and export. Some well-known samosa producers include Bikano, known for its ready-to-eat snacks. Bikano produces frozen samosas that are available in various flavors and are sold across India and in international markets. Haldiram's, a leading brand in India, Haldiram's offers packaged snacks, including samosas, which are available in grocery stores and online. MTR Foods, while primarily known for its ready-to-cook and ready-to-eat products, MTR Foods also produces frozen samosas. Kailash Sweets, based in Delhi, Kailash Sweets is another brand that produces a variety of snacks, including samosas, with a focus on quality ingredients. Samosa King, a dedicated samosa manufacturer, they produce frozen samosas in bulk and distribute them to retailers and food service businesses across India. Gulab, known for sweets and snacks, Gulab also produces frozen samosas that are popular in the market. Apart from these, there are countless small and medium-sized factories in every city that produce samosas for local markets. Many also specialize in vegetarian or non-vegetarian versions of samosas, depending on regional preferences. These factories typically distribute their products through supermarkets, retailers, and food service businesses, and increasingly through online platforms for frozen or ready-to-eat options.